Hi! Firstly, open Settings. Now choose Apps and Notifications, click on Advanced, and choose Permission Manager. Over here, pick one of the options. I will go for location, so I have to tap on it and select an app. For example, phone. Over here, you need to select one of the available options. Allow all the time, allow only while using the app, or deny. I will go with allow all the time, so when I go back, icons to that phone gained access to my device location. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!